Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube short tags. Want to get more views on your YouTube shorts? Using the right tags helps YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. And here's how to add them. The first step is to open the YouTube app, or in some cases if you're using your computer, you can open the YouTube Studio and go to studio.youtube.com and log in. After that, click on content and select the short you want to edit. After that, you go to the tags section and scroll down to the tags section under video details and type in keywords that describe your video, example hashtag shorts, hashtag funny, hashtag tutorial, depending on your shorts. After that, press enter after each tag to add multiple and save and publish. This is for the computer version. For Studio YouTube. Now I'm gonna show you what you can do on your mobile device. You can start by capturing a video right here and click on video, select a video you want to publish, and in the description you can add tags. Let's see here. Just add the tag and you can add, as you can see, once I start typing, YouTube gives me suggestion of the trending hashtags. Like you see here, there's funny video, fun. You can choose the tag you want and add it to your video once you selected the video. And after that will be the description. Make sure you choose too many and they are relevant to your video, and click on publish, click on next and publish. Use both broad and niche specific tags for better reach, and add trending hashtags in the title like shorts to boost visibility, and check competitor videos for inspiration on effective tags. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you add YouTube short tags. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.